If you think about how we tackle climate change, the first step really to reducing carbon is by measuring it in the first place. And this is what CarbonChain aims to bring to the forefront and to make easy and more accessible to companies across the board.
Working in a startup is a very exciting endeavour. We have new challenges every day, we work with great people, and we're solving some of the biggest problems for humanity. We're literally helping customers decarbonize their businesses by giving them actionable data so that they can take good steps towards mitigating climate change.
In a startup environment, it's moving at a fast pace and you have to really get your hands dirty in all aspects of the business. So whether you're talking about strategy, product development, customer success, it's all there for the taking if you're interested.
In my first week at CarbonChain, we got right in there working on the code base. We were working on a project on shipping emissions, and it was really exciting to get stuck in from day one. The best thing about working at CarbonChain, in my experience, is getting to learn loads of new tech. So I'm getting to code in Python every day, I'm learning loads about GitHub, and I'm also getting to learn loads about supply chain emissions. In the tech team at the moment, there's about 4 of us. I get to learn from people who have much more experience than me, and it's a great environment to work in.
I'm looking for engineers who are hungry to learn new domain, who are who are comfortable with uncertainty. I'm looking for engineers who see code as just means to get to an amazing product, who always see the customer at the end of the journey.
From a technical point of view, we are trying to create accountancy software that is as accurate as possible and also as broad as possible across multiple domains, and these domains are very heavy hitting, so we've got metals and minerals, oil and gas, and the technologies that we employ to try and do this are cloud services. We use a lot of Python data science and data engineering pipelines. We're creating backends using Java, and we're front ends using JavaScript, TypeScript, Angular. Yeah, we're also very open to anyone that we hire bringing their own technology and really championing it.
So I think the most exciting thing from my perspective is being right at the edge of a whole new field, because carbon accounting hasn't really existed up until now. I think the key attribute that we look for is really a kind of dynamism. We need people who are really kind of fleet-footed and willing to turn on a dime and change what we're doing. On top of that, we're obviously looking for really bright people, so bright technologists who know how to use technology to solve problems. And we're not looking for kind of necessarily people with PhDs. We're looking for people who are interested in getting involved in solving real-world problems and bringing whatever tools they need to bear.
So we're quite a diverse team across different metrics, so whether that's race, gender, country of origin, ethnicity, languages. I think between the team we speak 15 languages, and we also quite diverse in terms of where we live, so we're not just all based in London where our office is, but all across the UK and Europe as well.
You can actually pursue a startup role with CarbonChain and know that you're getting market competitive salaries, if not better, and you're also getting part of the equity of the company. Who knows where you can grow to in this role.
The reason why you want to work at CarbonChain is because you will get to work with amazing people who are truly motivated by real impact. And if you like uncertainty, we are in a place where you can really help to define what the future of the technology will look like.
The time is now if you want to make a difference in tackling climate change. If so, what are you waiting for? Come join CarbonChain.